Here's Brianna, pushing herself backwards in the car. Yes, she is. And she's a good girl. She just figured out she can touch. What are you doing over there? Huh? What are you doing over there? Chewing on your hand? What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing, baby? What are you doing? Oh, are you moving around? Yeah. Woo! You're figuring it out. Hi. Hi. Hey. Hey. Can we get a smile? Something? No, you just want to eat your hand? Hey. Brianna. Hey. Hey, get the hand out of your mouth. Get that hand out of your mouth. Get that hand out of your mouth. What are you doing? Huh? Huh? Oh, you're moving. You're doing good. What are you doing? You get your hand out of your mouth. You get your hand out of your mouth. You get your hand out of your mouth. You keep it out of there. You better do something quick. Oh, you're just gonna chew? Okay. Let's back up and show how much you've grown. Yep, you're backing up. Okay, that's it. Bye.